Hey, I'm Moose, and today we're going to discuss the differences between the E2 and the E4 air cap. The E4 air cap now comes standard on the Iwata LPH80. If you are familiar with the E2 air cap from the previous version, this will be a good video to understand the key differences between the two air caps. The E2 air cap has 2 holes for air, and the E4 has, you guessed it, 4 holes for air. So how does this affect you, the applicator? The E4 air cap provides increased atomization, which disperses coating more evenly, creating a wider pattern than the E2 air cap is capable of. A wider pattern means more surface area covered with each pass and faster application process for larger parts. You can still dial down to a bullet pattern with the E4 just like you can with the E2. Sprayability-wise, the E4 is certainly capable of everything the E2 is, plus it's capable of larger spray patterns for larger parts. If you have experience with the E2 air cap, it may feel or spray different using the E4. If you still prefer the E2, we still carry E2 air caps and it's available on our website for purchase. Either way, it's a good air cap to have in your arsenal. Another difference is going to be the cleaning process. The E4 has smaller diameter air holes than the E2, so it will require a little bit more attention when cleaning. The Iwata LPH80 cleaning kit on our site has all the pins and brushes necessary for cleaning both air caps. Well, that's it. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to technical support at Cerakote.com. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.